What if your phone battery lasted an entire year on a single charge? Let's really dig into that.
So a viewer, Marcus, actually asked us about this. What would that phone even look like? Right, so to last 365 days, you need 365 times more energy. That's a huge jump.
Using the lithium-ion tech we have right now, that battery would weigh around 30 kilograms by itself.
Yeah, that's 66 pounds. Your phone would literally weigh as much as a medium-sized dog.
So forget putting it in your pocket. We're talking about a battery the size of a large backpack.
And charging this thing? You'd need a charger nearly 50 times more powerful than what you use now.
It would suck up almost 40% of a standard outlet's power. Hope you weren't using anything else.
In the cable, it would have to be as thick as your thumb just to handle all that juice.
All that power creates a ton of heat. Your phone would literally need a fan buzzing inside it.
But here's the really scary part. If this thing failed, it would explode like 80 grams of TNT.
Okay, so what about future tech? Could something like lithium-air batteries be the answer?
Well, even with that massive improvement, you're still carrying a phone the size of a brick.
And the ripple effects would be insane. The entire charging industry could disappear overnight.
Environmentally, you're just front-loading the impact, using all those raw materials all at once.
And here's a big question. If your battery's still perfect after a year, why would you ever upgrade?
Solid-state batteries might be our best shot, maybe getting the weight down to about 1 kilogram.
But there's another problem. Processors get way faster, way quicker, than batteries improve.
So your phone just becomes a tiny screen and chips strapped to a giant battery. Hello, 1980s.
But what if we just embraced it? What if we all just started carrying these bricks around?
Our world would have to adapt in some pretty funny ways. Get ready for phone shoulder straps.
It's a weird thought, right? Maybe having to charge our phones every day is actually a good thing.
That daily charge saves us from lugging around a 30-kilogram potential bomb. It's quite a trade-off.
So the next time you plug in your phone, just think about the alternative. Is it really that bad?